Attention freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. Do you enjoy serving your community? Are you interested in gaining experience as an active member of a governing body? Do you want your voice heard by adults and county officials? If so, you should consider running for a position on the McLean Community Center Governing Board. As a member of the board, you serve a one-year term in which you will run an official campaign, suggest and implement new ideas to serve the community, serve on committees that interest you, such as finance, programs and outreach, or elections and nominations. Learn how official government meetings are conducted. In order to be eligible to run, you must be 15 to 17 years old by McLean Day. You must be a resident of the Center's Tax District, Small District 1A, Drainsville District. You must receive 10 signatures of endorsement from other 15 to 17-year-old students who live both in the Center's Tax District and your school district. One youth candidate from the Langley High School District area and one youth candidate from the McLean High School District area will be elected. You do not have to attend either high school. You may attend another school, including one that is outside of Small District 1A, or you may be homeschooled. You can only run for the seat representing the high school boundary area where you live at your residential address. If you are interested in this opportunity, you will need to pick up a candidate information packet in person at the McLean Community Center, available now. Make sure you bring a valid ID with you. Hours to pick up a candidate packet and other information regarding this unique opportunity for local students can be found on the center's website at mcleancenter.org.